What did the train do? Do it again. Chugga 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 choo choo. You see train on the back? What's that? Where's the train? Point to the train. Yeah. Do it again. Choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Do it, Eric. Go ahead. Chugga 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 choo choo.
Just a little bit too sloppy from Slovakia, even in the build-up, not taking care of the ball.
You want to go see the train? You can go see the train?
Low percentage in terms of connecting passes today, Slovakia.
Yeah.
They haven't been able to establish the rhythm.
Do the choo-choo train. Do it.
Threat against Paraguay.
Do it again. Come on. Choo-choo. Eric. You want to see yourself, huh? There you go. You can, but look, when you're behind it, you're not in front of it. There you go.
Collision between Skirtle and Cardozo. Decision seems to have gone in Paraguay's favour.
Eric, let's go to the train. Choo-choo. Chugga 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 chugga. Where are we going, Eric? Are we going to the YouTube? We're going to go see YouTube? See the train on YouTube? Okay, hang on. Get this. There you go. There you go. Set you up. Okay, we are going to get YouTube up. Don't touch. Okay, let's find our favorites. Here's our train, Texas State Railroad. Let's make it nice and big. Ready? It's gonna start, Eric. Leaving Rusk. Oh, Eric. You excited? He loves the train. He makes us watch this video 20 times a day. You see the wheels? You see the wheels? The wheels on the train? Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing? Stop that. Silly boy. Can you do the train? Chugga, 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 chugga. You hear that?